Being good with money has little to do with how smart you are and everything to do with how you behave. This is the thesis of the book, The Psychology of Money, by Morgan Housel. With compelling stories, practical advice, and insightful analysis, Housel illuminates the complex and often counterintuitive psychology of money, showing us how to make smarter decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build wealth over the long term. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book will challenge your assumptions and leave you with a new appreciation for the power of financial planning and the role of psychology in our financial lives. Now, without spoiling your own experience of reading this amazing book, here are my 15 takeaways from the psychology of money. Number 1. Luck plays a huge role in financial success. Housel argues that luck is a significant factor in financial success, but it's often overlooked. People tend to attribute their success to their own skills and intelligence, rather than acknowledging the role that luck played in their lives. This can lead to overconfidence, which can be dangerous when it comes to making investment decisions. 2. The most important financial skill is the ability to save and to live below your means. Housel stresses the importance of living below your means, which means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. This is a simple but powerful concept that can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. It's not about being frugal or sacrificing everything you enjoy, but rather making intentional choices about your spending and prioritizing your long-term goals over short-term gratification. 3. Compounding is the most powerful force in the universe. The power of compounding is one of the most important concepts in investing. Warren Buffett became one of the richest people in the world largely by taking advantage of the power of compounding. It refers to the idea that the returns on your investments can earn additional returns over time, leading to exponential growth. However, compounding requires patience and a long-term perspective. Trying to time the market or chasing short-term gains can actually hinder your investment returns over the long run. 4. Beyond a certain point, money doesn't have much of an impact on our well-being. Housel cites research that suggests that once basic needs are met, additional money doesn't necessarily lead to greater happiness. In fact, there's evidence to suggest that people who prioritize money and material possessions may actually be less happy than those who focus on other aspects of their lives, such as relationships and personal growth. 5. Avoiding big mistakes is more important than making brilliant investment decisions. This means being aware of common investment pitfalls, such as overconfidence, chasing hot stocks, and market timing. Focusing on avoiding big mistakes can help you preserve your capital and achieve better long-term investment returns. 6. The stock market is unpredictable in the short term but tends to grow over the long term. Housel acknowledges that the stock market can be unpredictable in the short term, but argues that over the long term, it tends to grow. He cites historical data that shows that the stock market has delivered positive returns over long periods of time, despite short-term fluctuations and volatility. 7. Financial decisions are more often the emotional decisions. Housel stresses that financial decisions are often emotional decisions, influenced by factors such as fear, greed, and social pressure. Understanding your own emotions and biases can help you make better decisions and avoid common pitfalls. For example, being aware of the sunk cost fallacy can help you avoid holding on to losing investments for too long. 8. Money is a means to an end, not an end in itself. Housel reminds readers that money is not an end in itself, but a means to an end. It's important to think about what you want to use your money for and what truly makes you happy. This means setting financial goals that align with your values and priorities and being intentional about how you spend and save your money. 9. Financial planning is not about finding the best investment or the perfect strategy. Housel emphasizes that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to financial planning. Instead, it's about finding a plan that works for your unique circumstances and goals. This means considering factors such as your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation, and developing a personalized plan that takes these factors into account. 10. Financial success is not a one-time event. Housel reminds readers that financial success is not a one-time event, but a process that requires ongoing attention and adjustment. This means regularly reviewing your financial plan, monitoring your progress, and making adjustments as needed. It also means being prepared for unexpected events, such as market downturns, job loss, or illness, and having a plan in place to handle these situations. 11. The value of money is not just what it can buy, but also the security and freedom it provides. Housel argues that money has value beyond its purchasing power. It also provides a sense of security and freedom, allowing us to handle unexpected expenses, pursue opportunities, and live life on our own terms. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, for as long as you want, is priceless. It is the highest dividend money pays. Recognizing the value of money beyond its face value can help us make more thoughtful financial decisions. 12. A strong financial education is essential for long-term financial success. Housel stresses the importance of financial education, which includes understanding basic financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, and investing, as well as more complex topics such as tax planning and estate planning. A strong financial education can help individuals make better financial decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and achieve long-term financial success. 13. Social comparisons can influence our financial decisions, leading us to overspend or take on debt to keep up with others. Housel acknowledges the power of social comparisons, which can lead us to make financial decisions based on what others are doing or what we think they expect of us. This can lead to overspending, taking on debt, or making other financial choices that are not aligned with our goals and values. Being aware of social comparisons and finding ways to resist their influence can help us make better financial decisions. 14. Building wealth is a slow and steady process. Housel emphasizes that building wealth is a slow and steady process, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. This means focusing on saving, investing, and managing risk over the long term, rather than trying to chase short-term gains. 15. Financial planning is not just about money. This means setting financial goals that align with your values and priorities and finding ways to use your money to achieve those goals. It also means being mindful of how your financial decisions impact your overall well-being and quality of life. Hope you enjoyed these key takeaways. Overall, The Psychology of Money is a valuable resource for anyone interested in improving their financial well-being. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to make some changes to your existing plan, this book is well worth a read. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to help it reach to more people. Thank you so much for watching.